Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I pack my toddler bag when we travel on long or short trips. So if it's your first time on my channel, I have identical twin girls. They're almost 2 years old, and this is how I pack their bag. So as you can see, I'm standing right in front of their closet. It's not a big closet, but there's so much stuff in there, that's why it's a little bit hard to organize, so ignore the mess, just take the tips and listen to what I'm saying, okay? So first things first, if you want to pack your stuff in an efficient way, you need a list, be it on your computer, on a piece of paper, on your phone, whatever. I do it old school. I have a piece of paper and a pen and I write, I fill out the list as I go. So this is what my list looks like. Right at the top, I have the weather. You always need to check the weather of where you're going before you leave or before you pack, so that you pack weather appropriate clothes. The second section is the clothes. Sleeping clothes, shoes, special outfits, accessories, toiletries, diaper bag, medical supplies, documents, food, toys, and last minute things. If you don't break down the list, you will just have things jumbled up and you will still forget stuff. So make sure you break down your list. So let's start with the clothes. Now, one tip I would give you when it comes to the clothes is to pack in outfits. Don't just say, I'm gone for 7 days, so I'm going to take 7 pants and 7 t-shirts and just throw things in the bag, because once you get to your destination, you'll start to realize that I took these pants, but none of the tops matches these pants, and nothing matches, and you can't mix and match the outfits, and it's just a mess. So this is what I'm gonna do. I've checked the weather, and it's going to be chilly in the morning, chilly in the evenings, but warm during the day. So I'm going to pack appropriate clothes. And you also need to consider the type of activities you're doing before you just throw in clothes. So on the first day, we are probably just going to visit some small villages and some small cities and take nice long walks with the girls, visit a lake or something like that, have a drink out. And I think jeans, you can never go wrong with jeans. So I'll take 2 pairs of jeans, just simple jeans, and 2 t-shirts. I never really dress up the girls, you know, alike, but usually similar stuff that complements each other. So just 2 pink t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts, because it will be warm during the day. But since it will be chilly in the morning, then I need to put like small sweaters with the outfits. Let me just grab that. I'll take just simple sweater. Take color neutral things that you can mix and match. Like, I'm not going to carry a lot of stuff because we're going to do laundry in between, and then I can just mix and match the outfits. Just color neutral stuff. The second day, we are going to visit probably a farm, and the girls will interact with animals and stuff like that. So they need comfortable clothes. I will probably just go for sweatpants. They'll probably get dirty. So just 2 sweatpants and t-shirts again, 2 t-shirts. Oh, I need socks. So socks with this outfit and 2 pairs of socks for the previous outfit, and I just put that right there. And on the 3rd day, that's when we're going to go and visit a friend of mine, and we're going to spend the night at her place. So I want to have the girls looking a little bit cute, and I think the weather is supposed to drop. So I'll have them in these jumpsuits. I love me a jumpsuit. I know this sort of kind of looks like pajamas, but when Leona wears this, it's super duper cute on her. And when I put accessories on her and do her hair, absolutely adorable. I will try to vlog the trip for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss our holiday vlogs. That's it. Oh yeah, I need some, I don't know what you guys call them, rompers or bodies. In Germany we call them bodies. So I'll probably put a short-sleeved body underneath the jumpsuits. And then what else do I have? Oh, so that's 3 outfits. We will be gone for 4 days, so I'm going to pack 4 outfits plus 2 extra outfits. Like I said, when we go to the farm, they'll probably just need a change of clothes. So what will they wear? There's 2 dresses in the laundry that I definitely want to take with me, so I will jot that down on a piece of paper. Pink and blue dresses. Okay. With the dresses, I will need some leggings or some tights, and I have their tights in here. 1 pair and 2nd pair. Okay, so that's 1 2 3 1 2 3 outfits. 4 plus the one in the laundry, and then I need 2 extra outfits, so I will just take a pair of pants, extra pair of pants, and long sleeves t-shirt. You never know this time. Just 2 long sleeve t-shirts. Put that aside. And on the list you see I wrote special outfit. So we haven't planned anything special, but you know, our friends might invite us to a nice place to go and eat, or we might meet somebody, or we might spontaneously decide, let's go to a fancy place. And so we need outfits for the girls to look nice. I will take these 2 dresses. Absolutely cute. And they will need some leggings with the dresses, and maybe a cute sweater on top. So 2 sweaters that will go with the dresses. Oh, everything is falling. Let me just throw it down here. Okay, what else do I have on my list? Accessories. So I'm just going to do that later. I will just pack a few hairbands. They have really beautiful curly hair that's just getting long, and I just like to activate the curls and just leave their hair like that. So toiletries for the girls. I have a small toiletry bag. I'm not really taking a lot of toiletries for them. In the toiletry bag I have 2 washcloths, their lotion, that is like a shampoo and bath foam. And then for their hair, I have the hair conditioner and some oil for their hair. And that's it. That is it. So I can tick that off my list. Where is, okay, I can tick that off my list. Toiletries is fine. Diaper bag, I still need to fill up. I made a diaper bag video already. So if you haven't watched that, I will link that down below if you want to see what I have in my diaper bag and how I pack my diaper bag. Medical supplies, what do I have? I have a nose pump, some band-aids, some fever medication, a thermometer, nose drops, and a pacifier. I think that's all I need. Definitely the most important thing you need is to have a thermometer in your medical bag, and some fever or pain medication, because you just never know when they get sick. Documents, I haven't done that yet, but we are not leaving the country, so I don't need passports or anything like that, but definitely I will need to carry with me their medical aid cards. Food, so depending on your children's needs, you need to pack some food when you go on holiday. The girls eat what we eat now, so it's not a lot, but I definitely need to pack their smoothies, their favorite biscuits, their favorite snacks. And Leona and Loretta are currently addicted to dried berries, so I need to throw in you know, 1 or 2 packets of dried berries. And what else? Sleeping clothes, I almost forgot that. So I'm just going to carry 1 pair of pajamas per child, and 2nd pair of pajamas. And I'll definitely need sleeping bags because they refuse to go under the blanket. So, oh, sleeping bags. One sleeping bag. Second sleeping bag. It's a lot. Like, I'm just looking at the stuff that's piling up on the floor, and it's really a lot. And obviously they're still in diapers, so big packet of diapers. I'm sure the car is just going to be full. I haven't yet even packed their toys, so definitely if you have small kids, then you need to pack their toys. I'll probably pack stuff like their colors and some paper to color on, maybe 1 or 2 puzzles, lots of books definitely, and I'll also allow them to pick a couple of toys themselves and some dolls. So here's the thing, when they go to bed, they still need their, their teddies, and Leona has a whole entourage of stuffed animals. It's hilarious. Before she goes to bed, she checks, is the frog there? Is Miss Rabbit there? Is the teddy there? Is the baby there? The cat. It's a lot. So I don't know if I want to risk just taking the doll and maybe 1 or 2 stuffed animals, because she might give me problems when it goes to bed. We'll see how much space we have in the car. I might just take everything, to make her comfortable during the time when she's away from home. So I think that's it. I hope the tips I gave you guys will be useful for when you pack your bag. And I definitely need to start packing my own bag and just cleaning up the house. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and check out our videos. I'll try to vlog the holiday. I can't really promise, but I will definitely try. Have a nice day, you guys. Bye.